The lights turn on wherever you step. The windows adjust their transparency on their own, and the heating system adapts to your daily routine. At some point, you won't even remember how things used to be, because smart homes are no longer a luxury. Instead, they've become the new standard for safety, comfort, and efficiency. LG showed up with a surprise at IFA, one of the world's largest consumer electronics shows, a fully built-to-story house. This South Korean innovation is called Smart Cottage, and as the name suggests, it's packed with smart technology. Designed for 2 people, the home meets their energy needs using 4 kilowatt solar panels. It also includes a built-in EV charging station and a 200-liter water tank. All appliances are linked through the LG Think app, allowing users to control every device and manage heating, ventilation, and air conditioning directly from their smartphone. The company Grapes aims to make smart homes easier to understand and more accessible. To achieve this, it has developed the Lock Zone system, which simplifies the process of managing and adjusting the home's features. You no longer need dozens of remotes and apps. Once installed, Lock Zone allows users to control the home's appliances and systems either through the brand's dedicated touch panel or simply from a smartphone. Lighting, air conditioning, music, even pool filtration, LockZone covers it all. And it helps not only to make everyday life more comfortable, but also to reduce electricity bills. For example, if solar panels start performing better than usual, on a sunny day the system will detect it and automatically use the extra energy to start a load of laundry. There is no better engineer than nature. A clear and definitely worthy example of this is the Flectoline Smart Facade System. It was inspired by 2 real species: the water wheel plant, a carnivorous aquatic plant, and the striped bug. By studying the structure of the valve, like petals of these plants, and the veins in the bug's wings, the team created panels that respond to changes in the weather. When it gets hot, air is pumped into the cavities of the panels, and they open, creating shade. When it gets cold, the air is released and the panels close, allowing sunlight to pass through. The Flectoline system works with the help of machine learning algorithms and uses weather forecasts as input. On top of everything, the panels are solar powered, and their service life is at least 15 years. The EO Canopy camping trailer runs entirely on solar energy, collecting up to 64 kilowatt-hours of power per day. It also handles its own water supply, extracting around 68 liters from the atmosphere daily. Inside, both owners and guests will find everything they need, including a bathroom and air conditioning. Despite its modest area of around 15 square meters, EO Canopy is available in a layout that includes, for beds, it delivers all the comforts of a city apartments, but without the utility bills. However, the estimated price is steep, around $150,000. Futrio was born in the late 1960s and was originally designed as a vacation cabin. For skiers, its UFO-like shaped helped it stand up well to strong winds, and its lightweight meant it could be delivered fully assembled by helicopter. With a diameter of 8 meters, the Futuro could accommodate up to 8 people. Beyond being a ski lodge, it was also used as an observation post, a medical station, a cafe, or even a hostel. But in 1973, the oil crisis hit, and the plastic used to make Futuro units became significantly more expensive. As a result, not many were produced. Today, only about 60 for original Futurists are known to still exist, but they've ended up scattered all over the world, from Canada to New Zealand. And they continue to delight fans of unconventional architecture. Up next are several lines of compact homes with big ambitions. The ones with a more streamlined look are called Abra, while the more angular designs go by Zigo. In both cases, the designers really went all out. These homes look luxurious inside and out. For example, the Abra A2 model packs a lot into its 40 square meters, including a charming mini veranda. And the kitchen looks like it belongs on a cooking show. The Zigo Z1 model is equally impressive. It offers the same floor area, but leans towards a more classic exterior, accented with thermal wood cladding. Both models feature ceramic tile and wooden parquet flooring, along with 8 cm thick rock wool for sound and thermal insulation. Futura House specializes in installing smart home systems, and what it offers is far more than a collection of individual gadgets. The company provides complete systems that, when needed, can support tens of thousands of connected devices. In addition to familiar control methods, like smartphone apps, Futura houses come up with a clever twist. You can run your smart home using your TV remote. The company's solutions make it possible to bring together devices from different manufacturers, anything from Sonos to Samsung, under one roof. And because they're tailored precisely to the user's preferences, they blur the line between technology and comfort. These smart windows, developed by View, adjust lighting levels by transforming sunlight into a perfectly balanced source of comfort. It's not magic, it's technology. The glass is coated with a special layer that changes transparency when electricity is applied. No more fiddling with curtains or blinds. The windows decide how much light to let through, based on the weather, the sun's position, and even the orientation of the building. According to View, these windows have a positive effect on people's well-being and reduce annual air conditioning costs by about 18%. That might not sound like much, but in an office building, it can add up to tens of thousands of dollars every year. LumiPod is a line of compact, yet incredibly cozy cabins that would make ideal guest houses at the very least. Their floor area ranges from 18 to 45 square meters, and the interiors are on par with many hotel rooms. The standard package includes oak flooring, a bed, a luxurious bathroom, and air conditioning. The cabins can be connected to water, sewage, and electricity without any issues. Assembly takes about 3 days. And of course, the highlight is the massive curved windows. These can be slid open to transform the LumiPod into something like a deck. The WZH Prefab 2025 homes are inspired by spacecraft and reimagine what future housing can look like. Their construction time is measured not in months, but in weeks, while other people are still waiting. For their homes to be built, owners of these prefab houses are already celebrating their move-in day. And they know that if they ever need an extra room, it can be added easily thanks to the modular design. Another major advantage is the lower cost. It's no surprise that this kind of housing often includes solar panels and rainwater collection systems. The household robot has arrived and its name is for NE1. It irons clothes, cooks meals, and takes care of all sorts of everyday chores. It can even lift up to 100 kilograms. But the most impressive part for anyone is its operating system Mirrorverse. It allows users to upload skills. The robot has learned to a special online store and download new skills that other for anyone. Units have mastered handy right. The robot also features a hot, swappable battery system for continuous, around-the-clock operation. And the newer only sensor technology combines input from 7 cameras, LiDAR and microphones to help it move around without bumping into objects or people. The expected price starts at around $23,000. No buzzing, no bites. Just peace and quiet. That's because the first ever compact laser insect killer has arrived. Meet the Photon Matrix. It works both indoors and outdoors and takes down mosquitoes, flies and other flying insects, moving at speeds of up to 1 meter per second. The standard version of Photon Matrix protects an area of 7 m, while the advanced model covers 28 m. If you're interested, there's a crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo right now where the Photon Matrix is available for $497. Just know that shipments are expected to begin in October. VIA has developed a truly impressive module for smart homes capable of replacing dozens of traditional cameras and sensors. It doesn't use any optics and doesn't require people to wear special gadgets, trackers, or accessories of any kind. So what exactly does it do? The module monitors where people are and how they move through the space, tracking things like walking patterns and even breathing rate, for instance. If someone falls, VIA can detect it and send out an alert. It can also be used to monitor sleep quality and serves as a powerful addition to any home security setup. The key to VIA's capabilities lies in how it uses radio waves. The potential for this technology is enormous, and the company notes that their solution is well suited not only for private homes, but also for areas like healthcare and public safety.